Hello, and welcome back to English with Sophia Blake. I am Sophia. It's evening now. The sky outside is dark. Your apartment is quiet. You just walked through the door. You put your bag on the table. You take off your shoes slowly. Your shoulders feel tight. Your eyes feel heavy. You sit down on the couch. And for a moment, you just stare at the wall. Stay here. Don't rush this moment. This is where discipline begins. Your phone lights up. A notification appears. You could open it. You could scroll for 10 minutes. Or 1 hour. Your mind whispers, you deserve a break. Repeat it once. You deserve a break. Good. Now another thought appears. You can practice tomorrow. Repeat. You can practice tomorrow. Very good. But listen carefully. Tomorrow feels easy because it is imaginary. Tonight is real. Repeat after me. Tonight is real. Excellent. Now say this slowly. I feel exhausted after work. Repeat. I feel exhausted after work. My mind feels foggy. Repeat. My mind feels foggy. My body feels slow. Repeat. My body feels slow. Very good. Now connect it. I feel exhausted, but I can still begin. Repeat. I feel exhausted, but I can still begin. Even if my mind feels foggy, I can practice for 10 minutes. Repeat. Even if my mind feels foggy, I can practice for 10 minutes. Good. You don't need 1 hour. You don't need perfect focus. You need one decision. Say it with me. I choose to start tonight. Stay where you are. Don't move too quickly. Look around your room. Notice the light. Notice the silence. Your body is tired. But you are still here. That matters. Take one slow breath with me. Inhale slowly. Exhale gently. Again. Inhale slowly. Exhale gently. Your shoulders may feel tight. Let them relax slightly. Your jaw may feel tense. Let it soften. You are not rushing tonight. You are training calmly. Now listen carefully. Discipline is not loud. It does not shout. It does not demand attention. It is quiet. It is steady. It is almost invisible. But it changes you slowly. Repeat after me. Discipline is quiet. Again. Discipline is quiet. Very good. Now imagine this clearly. Every evening, you sit down for 10 minutes. Some evenings feel easy. Some evenings feel heavy, but you sit down anyway. That repetition becomes your identity. Say it slowly. Repetition becomes my identity. Again. Repetition becomes my identity. Good. Now listen. You are not trying to impress anyone tonight. You are not trying to sound perfect. You are simply practicing. That simplicity is powerful. Take another breath. Inhale slowly. Exhale slowly. Stay in this calm space. This is where growth happens. Not in excitement. Not in high energy. But in quiet repetition. Very good. You open your notebook. You put on your headphones. You start speaking slowly. The first sentence feels awkward. Your pronunciation feels unclear. Your brain feels slow. You check the clock. 3 minutes have passed. And suddenly, you feel resistance. Your mind says, "This is not working." Repeat it once. This is not working. Good. Now another thought. You sound bad tonight. Repeat. You sound bad tonight. Very good. Stay calm. Listen carefully. Improvement sounds awkward at first. Growth feels uncomfortable. Repeat after me. Growth feels uncomfortable. Excellent. You look at the clock again. 5 minutes. Your brain wants comfort. It wants easy stimulation. Say this. My brain wants comfort. Repeat. My brain wants comfort. Good. Now respond calmly. Comfort now creates weakness later. Repeat after me. Comfort now creates weakness later. Very good. 2 more minutes builds discipline. Repeat. 2 more minutes builds discipline. Excellent. Now we build a longer reflection. Listen carefully. After 5 minutes of practice, I start to feel resistance. My pronunciation feels slow. My brain wants to stop. But I remind myself that progress is not about perfection. It is about repetition. So I stay for 2 more minutes. And those 2 minutes strengthen my discipline. Now repeat slowly. After 5 minutes of practice, I start to feel resistance. My pronunciation feels slow. My brain wants to stop. But I remind myself that progress is not about perfection. It is about repetition. So I stay for 2 more minutes. And those 2 minutes strengthen my discipline. Excellent. You continue speaking. Your rhythm improves slightly. Your voice feels steadier. And that improvement started because you didn't quit at minute 5. Repeat. I don't quit at minute 5. Very good. Take one slow breath. Inhale. Exhale. You just trained your mind. Not only your English. Now imagine 6 months from now. You are sitting in a meeting room. People are discussing an idea. Your manager asks, "What do you think?" This time, you don't freeze. Your mind stays calm. Your words come more naturally. Say this slowly. I speak more clearly now. Repeat. I speak more clearly now. Very good. And this confidence did not appear suddenly. It was built quietly. Repeat. It was built quietly. Excellent. Now listen carefully. 6 months ago, I often felt too tired to practice. I delayed my growth. I waited for motivation. But I started training for 10 minutes every evening. Even when my energy was low. Even when my mind felt foggy. And those ordinary evenings changed my fluency over time. Now repeat slowly. 6 months ago, I often felt too tired to practice. I delayed my growth. I waited for motivation. But I started training for 10 minutes every evening. Even when my energy was low. Even when my mind felt foggy. And those ordinary evenings changed my fluency over time. Excellent. Now strengthen identity. I am becoming someone who shows up. Not only when it is easy, but also when it is inconvenient. Repeat. I am becoming someone who shows up. Very good. I no longer wait for perfect energy. I rely on discipline instead. Repeat. I rely on discipline instead. Excellent. Take one final steady breath. Inhale slowly. Exhale gently. You practiced on a tired evening. You stayed longer than your resistance. You built structure instead of excuses. That is how real change begins. Say this with me. I practice even when I feel tired. Consistency builds my confidence. Discipline quietly changes my life. Stay with me for a little longer. Don't close the notebook yet. Just sit quietly. The room is still. Your breathing is steady. You practiced tonight. Even though you were tired. That matters more than you think. Sometimes growth feels dramatic. Sometimes it feels invisible. Tonight may feel small. But small efforts repeated create strong foundations. Repeat after me. Small efforts repeated create strong foundations. Again. Small efforts repeated create strong foundations. Very good. Now listen carefully. Some people wait for motivation. They wait for the perfect mood. They wait for extra energy. You did not wait tonight. You acted in low energy. That builds something deeper than motivation. It builds self-trust. Say it slowly. I build self-trust when I act. Repeat. I build self-trust when I act. Very good. Now imagine this clearly. Every tired evening you choose 10 minutes. After 1 month, you notice small changes. After 3 months, you hesitate less. After 6 months, you speak with calm confidence. And people think you are naturally fluent. But you know the truth. It was built on quiet evenings like this. Repeat after me. It was built on quiet evenings like this. Excellent. Now soften your voice. You don't need to prove anything tonight. You don't need to be perfect. You only need to show up again tomorrow. That is enough. Take one final deep breath. Inhale slowly. Exhale slowly. Feel the calm in your chest. This calm is discipline. This discipline is identity. And this identity will change your life quietly. Say it one last time with me. I practice even when I feel tired. Consistency builds my confidence. Discipline quietly changes my life. Very good. Thank you for staying with me tonight. This is English with Sophia Blake. And I'll see you on the next ordinary evening.